Hello there, my name's George. I'm one of two brothers that owns and operates Kings Valet right here in Mishawaka, Indiana. The first thing my brother and I want to do in this video is express some gratitude. We know that there's a lot of great options in the area, and for Kings Valet to have even made the list, thank you. Potential clients like you have helped us build this over the past couple of years to just a dream that my brother and I step into daily. We love what we do, and just again, thank you for being here. Very quickly about us and about the website. Kings Valet only installs ceramic coatings. We have a belief here that is very in line with The One Thing by Gary Keller. And that's just, we're not a jack of all trades. The only service we offer is lifetime ceramic coating installation. No tint, no detail, no putting in head units and speakers, and all we do is ceramic coating. It allows absolute mastery versus, again, being a jack of all trades. My brother and I believe in simplicity and transparency. Simplicity being a single offering with a very plain, transparent price listed on the website. There's no reason I need your name, phone number, email, make, model of the car, mother's maiden name, and all that just to get you a quote. And we can't understand why there isn't more transparency in the industry. The biggest variable on cost is size of the vehicle. So again, we have transparently displayed all of our prices at the bottom of this page. You can just look for the frequently asked question titled, "How much does this cost?" We also have a blog breaking down what goes into that cost, so the cost of supplies and labor and et cetera, et cetera. So if you go to the blog portion, you can learn about why ceramic coatings cost over $1,000. And let me give you a hint, if you get a place that's quoting under $1,000, run away. Some of the special things we do here at Kings Valet that separate us are we cover all of our ceramic coatings with a lifetime warranty in-house. No 1-800 numbers, no fine print. You just got to follow a couple golden rules, and they are very simple, large, plain text, easy to follow rules. That is available on the Lifetime Ceramic Coating tab right above this video. We also include you in a lifetime maintenance program at absolutely no cost. This is a detail every quarter just to freshen up the ceramic coating and keep you looking your best. So if you're going to a wedding, a funeral, just got back from a cross-country trip, let us get you back to 100%. Finally, we include free annual inspections. Most other companies will bill you a chunk of change up front for the coating, and then they bill you $200 to $300 again every year to look at your coating and put a topper on it. And my brother and I have never found that fair. You're making your investment up front. We should be able to take care of you beyond that. So an annual inspection will never cost here. Just stop on by between April and June for one of your free details. It will include a free topper, and we'll give you a little check mark that your warranty is current. We back all of our ceramic coatings with a 200% money back guarantee. Those aren't just words. If you find something 6 months in and say, "Hey, this coating sucks," give us a call. I have not had to cut one of those checks. I am sure that that day will arrive sometime because none of us in this world are perfect. But we mean it. We want you to have no fear going into this. And that's our, biggest goal is just giving you peace of mind. It's mentioned in a lot of places on this website, and that is what we aim to provide is peace of mind. If you have a problem, my personal contact information is in every single email follow-up that's sent. It's in the estimate. It's in the invoices. I am reachable, and so reachable that I'll just give you my personal information here as well. My email is going to be george.hunt@kingsvalet.com. So that's GeorgeKingsvalet.com. And then my personal cell phone number is going to be 219-440-6915. The best way to reach me is always text. It's the fastest. But we are very, very straightforward and reachable. And our goal is to educate, not sell. That's why there's so much information on this website. Is we want you to be educated, even if you buy from somebody else.
If you need ceramic coating for your right, then you don't have to look any further. Kings Valet is the best around. Michiana's one and only expert. We specialize in new and luxury. Get your peace of mind for a lifetime. Quality service every single time. Put your trust in our experience. Instilling confidence, one coating at a time. So head over to Kings Valet.